to be here. For you, Tom. 3, 2, 1.
Live.
Yeah, we're the Trolly Folks. We're really glad to be here. On the very end, we got the Plateau Jazz Band brass section, Mr. Philip Rice on trombone, Ty Lamb on trumpet, Tony Gitazinskis on clarinet. And we got our wonderful guitar player, Mr. Greg Meyer, our bass player, Michelle Wisdom, and on ukulele and a bunch of tin cans, Peter Thomas. Our first song is not going to be the one you just listened to. Rather, it's going to be one about this place where you're living in. Everybody ready? Come on down. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Sing. Come on down to Descretion Brewing. We're playing jazz music today. Come on down to Descretion Brewing. I wanna hear you play. Yeah, a washboard just squeeze a kazoo. We'll say anything that makes a good sound will do. So come on down to Descretion Brewing. We're playing jazz music today. I say. We're playing juggle music today. Take it, Brown Scott. Descretion Brewing. We're playing juggle music today. Everybody, come on down to Descretion Brewing. We want to hear you play. What do you want to hear? Banjo, fiddle, or ukulele? Any instrument like that would be fine with me. So come on down to Descretion Brewing. We're playing juggle